For some reason, my sound didn't record during this part of the video, so I'm going to do a quick voiceover. We toured 2 other houses for a total of 5, just to see if we have to move. Our first plan is that we'll stay put if they do not raise our rent, but if they raise our rent by $1 or $100, whatever it is, we're moving. So we just wanted to be prepared and have a plan B. So I'm going to go ahead, show you the 2 houses that we toured. One thing that surprised me in the state of Texas is that they show you the houses as is when the last occupant left. There's no cleaning or showing it in a spectacular way. You see it as it is. And then if you choose to move, then you pay a cleaning fee before the move-in with the new landlord. Me personally, I don't think that's fair. Why should I, as a new tenant, have to pay a cleaning fee for the old tenant? But that's the way it is in Texas. Here's the vlog.
It must be a little different because that one they did the window in the middle.
Yeah.
What's the code?
1726.
Are they supposed to just pull down?
The keys, you said the keys inside of it.
Am I doing it wrong? 1726. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
I couldn't like how open this feels. They did shitty. Look at this. Whoever left,
Yeah.
somebody had to come in kind of thing. But this feels way more open than ours, don't it?
Like you can like
You
work
can
right
actually
here.
breathe in this bitch.
Right here, Michael.
Yeah. So they have to. That's first thing we gotta paint because you know they already got a knock for the TV. So they probably gonna turn the switch over to you just like this.
Unless it's a cleaning fee. I didn't see one.
Imagine a door here and a door here where all this could be just open.
Yeah. Because
Okay, look and paint this door.
the table can go right here. The couch can go right here. The TV right there.
What is that? Oh, that's for the ice furnace.
What door is this?
So, I mean, somebody look here and give a fuck.
Oh, here's the washer dryer. It's a stackable.
So, okay, so there's that. Yeah, that's a little, this damn, we have, look, clearly had a water leak. I don't hate it so far though.
Do you want to close the front door?
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Oh, it's a half bath.
Huh?
It's a half bath.
Is it electric? They don't have any electric on here, do they? There's not even electric on. Fuck, I would work right here. So it could be good that there'd be 2 rents. We'd have to figure that shit out because this shit was fucked up. We'd have to pay it.
Yeah. I like the tile. We'll go upstairs.
Yeah. If the paint like this, I went through this in this because I want to see what this carpet looks like. Can you see it all? That don't look bad.
Mm-mm. Reminds me of my Dublin condo.
Yeah, and it's kind of that in a hybrid of fucking. Yeah, I don't know. But I like. Look how spaced out it is, though.
Yeah.
So this would be your.
I could put my treadmill right here.
This would be your office. Smaller than what you have now. They had a pet, didn't they?
Yeah, I can smell it.
Oh, look. Somebody. Yeah, look, the bedroom's a decent size.
Oh, yeah.
Like, imagine our bed right here, and then all that would be open.
Yeah.
So it could work as long as I could have this closet.
Yeah, you can have that closet.
But it's all just like.
You can walk around and check the building.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing
Sorry.
pretty good. How are you guys doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Good.
Sí, como le digo, déjeme saber, si le interesa, le mando el libro, correo electrónico, y quedamos en el libro.
Tiny little office.
Vamos a check.
You gotta share the yard.
Y ahí para allá, donde
It's
saber.
divided.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so this would be just our yard.
Yeah.
Como le digo.
Right, Jake could get with that.
Si no,
She'd lose her mind.
She would.
You sure it's divided?
Yeah, because that fence is right there. That's the fence to the other side.
Cause that other door was like right here.
No, babe.
Okay.
Because the. You want to look at the closet?
Yeah. It's good size.
Yeah. See, I told you.
Oh, yeah.
Nice size closet.
Really good size closet.
I like the floor to ceiling.
By the way, sorry for the yard, we're about to cut it like probably in a couple of days, but I mean, but you get the idea, right? It's basically, because there's more over there. It's basically all.
And that's just for this unit, right? Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, check it out, if you want, I can give you the whole info,
Okay.
or, you know.
The gas stove.
So is this the pantry?
The pantry, yes, sir.
Yep. So, looked at 2 other houses, and I'm going to give you an update. Am I moving or am I staying? So we have to give a 60-day notice with our current landlord regards to our plans. So our plan was if they didn't change the rent, then we're staying put. No moving expenses, no buying other appliances, just staying put, not downsizing, not doing anything. But if they raise the rent by $1, by $100, it didn't matter if they just raised the rent, period, we're moving. So we bit the bullet. 60-day mark is June 1st. We decided to do it early because I have a work trip to Vegas on Monday. So just wasn't sure we're gonna make that window. So we did it early on the 29th. Reached out to our landlord and blah, 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 blah. Our rent's not changing. It's staying the same. We're signing a new lease. We are staying. I'm so excited. So yeah, Operation Grind, pay bills, because in 2 years I want to buy a house.